So guys, good evening. Now this video I'll be doing right now is gonna be as short as possible, so as I could use it to explain to you how you would be able to join this platform, which allows you to connect your WhatsApp and then use that medium to earn. Like, as long as your WhatsApp is connected to the website, you keep earning. Like, currently my two devices are connected, my two WhatsApp accounts are connected, and they're actually earning right now. So I'm going to go straight to show you how it's done. So the link I posted either in the description of this video or wherever you copied or you clicked from, if it takes you to your browser, what you want to do is this. I'm gonna head on right to my browser. I actually use Kiwi browser rather. So once you click the link, it brings you here, and then you register. What you want to do is it brings you to a place where you fill out your number, your was it your email address, and then put your password, and you register. Then it will take you to where you're going to log in. As soon as you're done logging in, it brings you here. What you want to do is go over to connect WhatsApp, right? Wish I could just go over to a new website so I could okay, let's try it out on my other device. Well, actually I'm recording on this one, so what I'll just need to do is I would um okay, see what you want to do right now. Let me go over to let me go and copy the link. Right, I'm gonna copy the link from here where I posted it. Then I'm gonna go copy right now from here. Okay, I'm gonna click it and copy it, and then I'll take it to my Chrome browser. Okay, to Chrome browser. Oh my. So let's go to I think I would have to, let's use this browser. All right, so I'm gonna paste it right here. All right, so I'll okay it and it opens up. Now what I want to do is now to put my that link just opens up this way. So I'll go right on to put my number one register 7014022975, and then the email address. I'm gonna type in the email address right now. Let's use this one. Okay, and I put my password. Let me hide it so it could really, although this is okay, let's just, because whatever happens it's still us on this matter. Okay, and agree and next. Now I have to save my password right on the browser, and then next thing I want to do is to okay, good. Oh my goodness, something went wrong, but that's not really bad. Let's go back to it, and then to ask us to log in. If you experience that, just click the back button, it brings you here. Now okay, that's really not it. Let's go to what we want to do. We have to head on to connect our WhatsApp number. Okay, complete this. Sign up. We just signed up. So what you want to do is to claim your first revenue, which is 100 reward for signing up. All right, you could see that in your what's it called, your home button, the home section of the app. If you go to me, you'd see you have 100 you've earned already. So you want to go straight to the activity section. Okay, you go to the home section, then you go to login in your WhatsApp account. Right now you just click the login button, and then you would have to go, when you want to click the login button, it will give you two options to have to link. This way I went, right? You see the state site, right? Just this area where I am. That's where you are. You click that state section, then you click login to WhatsApp. You have to do the link with phone number, right? Then putting your WhatsApp number there. Then what you want to do is to go over to WhatsApp section, right? Go over to WhatsApp section, go back to WhatsApp section, then click the three dots on this side, the top right corner. You see link devices. Once you click link devices, you're gonna see how to link. You see link a device. You click that. You can see mine is connected already. You click that link device, and it would provide you boxes. Once you click that, put in your WhatsApp number here and click get. It will give you an 8-figure code right here. That and now when you go over to WhatsApp to link it, you will be provided with 8 boxes too, in which you have to fill out the codes you see here. And then it should have been linked. Once that is linked, to now bring you to the next step where you would have to I think you can by doing that you'll be able to navigate through and through to the end. And also by after you're done with that, you can now go ahead and then fill out your withdrawal details that you would have to withdraw cash to whenever you want to make withdrawals. Just hope this video is elaborate enough for you to understand. If you don't understand, you can hit me up in the comment section, or you follow the links provided or the in the description or the number on the screen to follow me on WhatsApp, so you could meet me one on one and then ask questions and I'll guide you through. So I see you next time. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles: on Instagram at SafoHub, on Telegram at SafoHub, on Twitter at SafoHub. And let's vibe together, let's make money together. I'll see you on the side, the prince. Bye for now.